Vincent is in the cat cube. So is Black Kitty. So are Kittens. And the kittens are bouncing in to Vincent's cube. And it's funny because sometimes he is licking their heads, other times he's attacking them. And the kittens are just taking over the cat cubes and maybe irritating Black Kitty. There's Vincent. Maybe he's decided he's had enough because the kittens are taking over the cube. But now Black Kitty is deciding he might have to strike out at some kittens too because, oh, whoops, there we go.
And I remember the first thing I said was when it was over, that dominates his group. And he was up front, trying to shy before. And when they were sitting there, they were going to come on. I remember looking down and saying, I'm going to have trouble with this kid. The other four was okay, right? Bam, on the minute. And that's still true. They say stories to this day. That he'd sit on the side, and be quiet, and then the stage, man, something happened to him.
You see those old pictures of him on the stage, and he looks so happy. And obviously, we know now there was a lot of stuff going on backstage. But to see the joy of Michael Jackson on stage, and that's certainly something. Those images and that sound does live on and live forever.
I like that quote about thinking about that.
Yeah.
Tell me again.
Fatherless child thinks all things possible and nothing is safe. I think it's true.
Well said.
Larry, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Our extended coverage continues tonight with more of the movie performances today at Bank, including a tribute from Stevie Wonder.
This is the moment that I wished, but I didn't live to see coming.
Also tonight, compounding the tragedy, new details about how this moment may have come about and really should never have come about. We're learning more about Michael Jackson's medical